Hey guys, it's Jeff, Bill Luke SanTan VIP service. I just want to bring to your attention, we got a lot of monsoon action going on. There's a few things we really need to check on the vehicle. Let's go shoot over here and go over a couple things. Tires. How important driving on the road with that rain that we do get when we actually get the monsoons, that we have full traction on the tires. Bring it to Bill Luke SanTan VIP service. We're gonna check, what is your wear pattern on the vehicle? Does it need an alignment? Is it simply traction or the tire depth on it? If you take a look here, these wipers appear to be in somewhat decent shape, but when those monsoons hit, we gotta make sure that those wiper blades are good. So let us check them for you. Let me show you an example in the back. This right here is not gonna do us any good during the monsoon season. It is literally a torn wiper. Look at that, it actually fell right off. Got to get it replaced for the monsoons. These lights, they need to be working. Visibility can get very hard on the roadway depending on how hard that rain's coming down. But let's do a light check on your vehicle and make sure they're good. Other than that, we'll do a full monsoon check. Make sure you guys are good to go.